Check it out. We are on the beaches of Florida here down in Panama City. We're doing some camping. I got some RCs to run. This one is going to be a 2-for-1 today because I kind of messed up. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Good to have you here. Yeah, that's right, I forgot to bring a battery for this. I have like 3 4S packs. I only got one 4S vehicle, the laser nut that I brought with me. I brought a 2S for this and totally forgot to bring this. So that means now I have to run this on 2S, which I've never done. So we're gonna see, but I want to run this. I brought it out here to a parking lot because I wanted to kind of like do some drifting around here and see. And then I brought the madvan because I want to see how it's gonna do. Kind of, I don't really want to run it in the beach on the sand because the sand here is really fine. But I want to do a little running, just some slow stuff, maybe to see how these big tires do and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Let's see how it does. Oh no, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, it's not horrible, but it ain't the same as like when it's on 3S. That's for sure. I really wanted to kind of go around this one island, but I can't because of all that water there. Man. I'll tell you what, man, I love this RC. I even brought a brand new set of tires because I figured we're gonna smoke them to the ground. But oh no. Man, I need to stay out that dang water. Ooh. Uh-oh. Oh man, more water. Man, I was really hoping there's gonna be a lot more sand covering the parking lot to really get some nice sliding done. Ooh. I told myself I was gonna get a new body. I'm like, nah, I'll probably just hit it and dent it again. Look, that's what I just did. I did heat it up and try to bend it back. Remember last time I drove it out, we had a problem with that tire rubbing. Ah, man. Ooh, this thing is fun. I'm probably gonna end up killing the damn battery just on this alone. I guess I need to save some battery. We need to save some battery for the madvan. Alright, I think we're gonna wrap this up here, the drifting. Save some of that battery for the madvan. Yeah, it does not have the power. But it's still fun. It's still fun. All right, let's get the madvan ready. Oh man, boy, it is properly dirty. Good thing I got that little blower now. So when I get back to the RV, I'll blow out all this crap. See, one thing I worry about too is because this is also like salt water, kind of well, brackish, I guess you would say the Gulf is. So I don't really want to get it too mucked up. It's the madvan. Oh no! Ooh, thank you for not. I want to see something over here. Whoa. Check it. Man, this stuff is slick. Oh man. Oh, you know, I got one more RC to run out here. I don't know, man. It's a bit of a bigger one. Ooh. Technically not supposed to be here. It says construction, but you know. All right, I gotta try to remember to check all the body clips. The madvan's got a problem with losing body clips. Oh man. Dude, this thing is such a cool RC. Not the best jumper, you know, it doesn't have the best air control, but this thing's crazy. There's something up with the steering, man. Or is it just that it's that sandy? I mean, do I got four-wheel drive? Yeah. Sure ain't acting like it. Man, I was like hit the gas and it goes everywhere. Oh, I just blasted myself. Ooh. All right, I'll calm down on that because I really don't want to damage the body on this. I like this one too much. Damn, this is. Uh-oh. What's that noise? What is that noise? The madvan! Here's some sand. Let's see. Oh, look at that. No problem. I don't know. Dude. Oh man, this is killer. I did not expect to have any place here I could get some air. Look at this. You know, I hit it with some moderate speed, man. It just goes. Oh no. Dude, this is a blast, man. This is like, oh, that's what I did. Figured I had something in there. Oh. Look at this thing, man. It like off-roads no problem, man. Look at all that loose dirt, man. It's just ripping through there. Oh, dude. Oh, this thing. This is probably one of the most slept on RCs ever. Most people just, because it's Kyosho, you know, it just doesn't have that brand like Arma and Traxxas. But this thing will go anywhere. Look at it. Oh. Oh man, that's freaking awesome. The one rock, right? All right, let's go see. Let's go try to get this thing down towards the beach and see. Look, dude, oh man, I'm impressed. Look at it, how deep this stuff is, man. And it just goes through it. Ah, that's freaking awesome. I could almost just sit here all day jumping this stuff. All right, we're gonna see how well this windsock does for the GoPro. And I gotta show you some of the Florida beach. This is actually the Gulf side. Where we're camping is more the bay, the inlet. But I'm not gonna do too much here because I want you to see this. This sand, if you break it down, look, it is very, 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 very fine sand. It's like a dust. So I don't want to go nuts and get this stuff into everything. I just want to see how it does cruising through the sand. Oh, see, look at the dust it kicks up. The madvan on the beach. Oh, that's gonna be a thumbnail, huh? We gotta do that. The madvan does it all. Hey, I think the batteries are getting a little on the weaker side. I think we're gonna wrap it up. What a way to wrap up a video, man, huh? What a way! The beautiful Gulf of Mexico out here on a very, very horribly windy day. Not very much sun. I'm sorry I missed that. We were out earlier. It was sunny. It would have looked so much better. This is why it's called the Emerald Coast, because you can see like the emerald green waters out here. All right, everyone. Me, the madvan, and the Infraction would like to thank you for joining us in these RC vehicle adventures out here in the wild on our camping trip. Do the best I can with the scenery that we got. I got one more RC to bring to you. I'm definitely not gonna run out here on the beach, but I think I got a good spot. I can take advantage of that size vehicle. So everyone, thanks for watching. Thank you for the support. Discounts and all that fun stuff down below if you care to help the channel anyway. Until then, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Oh, before we go, I know that was such a lovely exit. Now I know why this thing was steering weird. Second time I've stripped out that plastic drive cup over there. Second time. That's why every time I accelerate, this thing made funny turns. I'm gonna have to look into some metal drive cups. I know they have them because I fix it once, that's fine. If it happens again, and this is only on 2S, not modified. This thing's completely stock. So look for this thing to be on the bench before long. We're gonna try to find some metal drive cups. All right, everyone. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.